Good afternoon, Jason here, Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. Today we have a very interesting diagnostic and repair. This is a 2013 GMC 2500 utility body. This vehicle was struck by lightning in one of the many thunderstorms that we have down here in Southwest Florida. As you can see, the antenna is bent over. That's where the lightning struck the vehicle. We ended up following the path, which is the first part of a lightning strike diagnostic, and we found that the lightning actually exited the right rear wheel. Many of the modules in this vehicle were sacrificed because of the lightning strike. In the high-speed communication network, we lost the body control module, we lost the engine control module, the transmission control module, and the brake control module. This was not an easy diagnostic. They're not all easy, but with Legendary Automotive, you can depend on us to either do a tire repair or a complete vehicle diagnostic, whether it's a lightning strike, an engine malfunction indicator lamp, whatever it is, come check us out.